We're flying. We're flying. This is an amazing place. We're flying over there. Mini 2, Mavic 2 Pro. Lucky.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So we have a day off here in Papua. We're having a couple of days rest and we're here on the beach, and this is an incredibly beautiful place. It really is. The landscape here is amazing. But just nice to get some chill time, get some sun, maybe do some swimming, and obviously get some drone shots. Fly safe. And the locals here have been really amazing, and they always come to say hello, and they always want to take our pictures as well. It's constant pictures every time. See, this is every day, everywhere we go.